As you can see, we have built data scraper for Redfin that allows you to fetch certain information depending on the criteria that you specify in the input from Redfin. It starts from getting all listings from a certain area that you're interested in. In this particular case, we have San Francisco. Then it parses HTML as plain text. Just to be clear, for this system, my client paid me $3,000. Next,
Okay, perfect.
and extracts individual URLs matching the pattern. Then it gets individual listings, parses HTML as plain text again, and transfers data to OpenAI for filtering. Then, artificial intelligence extracts prices, names of agents responsible for listings, phone numbers, street names and addresses, square footage, price per square foot, parking space availability, days on Redfin, and the name of the city. Your output is automatically saved in your Google Sheets. As you can see, mine is already saved in here.